Okay, so hi again. So if you're watching this video, congratulations because natapos na rin yung arm liposuction.
Yes!
So ngayon i-discuss ko yung post-op instructions. This is very crucial. So as much as possible, watch from start to finish para ma-achieve natin yung best result for your arms. So the flow of this video, we will start from the immediate post-op and then we will discuss what's inside the post-op kit. And then after, isa-isahin natin yung mga frequently asked questions so that you can always look back at this video if you have any concerns. So immediately after the arm liposuction, you will be wearing the compression garment. This is the actual compression garment here in the clinic. And as you can see, may logo pa tayo ng Sandes Clinic. So let me show you how to properly wear the compression garment because some of my patients, they wear it the opposite side. If you'll see this lock dito sa harap, this is the front. You're gonna unlock it and then just wear the compression garment as high as you can. You can lock this one on top. Okay, not below the chest, but on top. So you have one free garment. It's advisable na meron kang extra one or two so that you can change it daily. Underneath the compression garment, you will have a sanitary napkin because expected there will be some fluid leaks around your elbow and also your armpit. If you notice that the napkin is already soaked, we'll just lift the compression garment up like a sleeve and then remove the soaked napkin. And you can clean the wound with betadine and also you can apply the mupirocin ointment. So it's an antibiotic ointment that you can place topically. Then after that, get a new napkin, place it on top, then you can put back the compression garment. Okay? So it's very important that you keep your arm compressed, especially for the first few days. So next, I will discuss what's inside the post-op kit. So it is a blue bag with our logo on it. You can always reuse this and then make it as a travel bag, anything kung anong gusto mong gawin dito. What's inside the bag? So very important is your medications. Ang included dito is your antibiotic, which is the Coamoxiclav. You should take this one capsule twice a day or every 12 hours, ideally after meals. Next is the Celecoxib. This is for the pain. Also drink this every 12 hours as needed only. Okay? Pero if tolerable naman yung pain at hindi naman gaano kasakit, you can opt not to drink this one. But for the first 3 days, mas maganda na ite-take nyo to para at least hindi masyadong maga yung braso. The last one, tranexamic acid. This will stop the minor bleeding. Take this also every 12 hours or 2 times a day. It's best that you will consume all of this, okay, to prevent any hematoma. And also there are extra napkins inside. And next we have the underpad. So don't forget to place this on your beddings para hindi masok yung kama ninyo with the fluid drains, okay? Meron din tayong Q-tips or cotton buds. So you can use this to place the ointments dun sa mga incision sites, and you can also use that to clean the wounds. So right now, we will discuss the frequently asked questions. First question, Doc, are there any food restrictions? So after arm liposuction, there are no food restrictions. But you need to decrease your salt intake para hindi lalong mawaga yung braso mo. Doc, when can I take a shower? So immediately, 24 hours after the arm lipo, you can already have a full shower. So it's okay to wet your arms, okay? Hindi naman problema na mabasa yung sugat. You can also use soap to wash your arms and whole body. But the only restriction is that you cannot submerge your arm sa mga bathtubs. So third question, Doc, can I resume my supplements? So if you're taking glutathione, vitamin E, or other supplements, you can resume it 1 week after the arm lipo. It is recommended that you will also take vitamin C, 1,000 milligrams, for faster healing. Is hand swelling normal? So after arm liposuction, expect that there will be some swelling sa arms mo. But if you feel like your arms are getting discolored, medyo violet na yung color, or you'll feel some weakness sa arms or any tingling sensations, you can opt to remove the compression garment temporarily to let your arms breathe, okay? Kasi baka nadi-disrupt na yung circulation because masikip. Expect that 3 days after, the swelling of your arms will start to peak. And then it will gradually subside 2 weeks, 3 months, and up to 6 months after. So you will appreciate the final result 6 months after the arm liposuction. Doc, my arms feel really itchy from the inside. It is quite common that you will feel your arms to itch, and then the sensation is inside the skin. It is due to the histamine release. So the remedy here is to take some antihistamines. So you can buy it over the counter at any pharmacies. So preferably, take 1 capsule or tablet at night because it has some drowsiness effect. Doc, there are more fluids draining on one side compared on the other. Is this normal? So yes, it is quite common na mas marami nagda-drain on one side. Because during arm liposuction, it's 1 hour per side. So once we finish on the one arm, okay, and then magsa-side view ka, so most of the fluids are already drained. Then after the next arm, tsaka pa siyang magde-drain during the healing process. So that's why there's a difference, okay, in the fluids. So again, don't worry because it is normal. All right? And Doc, I noticed one side is more swollen. Should I be worried? So after arm liposuction, yes, there might be a difference sa swelling. So one can be more swollen than the other because it is bilateral. So don't worry because we will see the final result after 3 to 6 months. All right? And then, very important, how long should I wear the compression garment? This is the most crucial part. This compression garment should be worn for about 1 to 3 months. You should wear this as much as possible, and you can remove it temporarily when you're taking a shower. So for the second and the third month, you can wear it at night or in the morning, depende kung saan ka mas comfortable. Again, 1 to 3 months for best results. Because the swelling, again, will subside 3 to 6 months. So another question, there's fluid sensation in my elbow and it feels quite heavy. So if you're feeling that sensation na parang mabigat, there's a possibility na may seroma or may fluid accumulation dun sa elbow. If this happens, do not worry. Just follow up at the clinic and then we will remove the fluid using simple needle aspiration. Doc, I have difficulty with the range of motion. So what is your advice? 1 to 2 weeks after the arm liposuction, expect there will be some limitations in movement. So hanggang ganito lang muna yung kaya ng arms mo. And then after 4 weeks or 1 month, you can already raise your arm as high as possible. So my advice after arm liposuction is that do not restrict the movement of your arms. As frequent as possible, okay, do some stretching para mas mabilis yung pag-recover ng arm mo. Doc, my arms feel hard 2 weeks after the arm liposuction. So do not worry again because it is expected. Okay, due to the healing process, medyo titigas yung arms mo. It will feel stiff and sometimes mabigat yung pakiramdam. So that's why you have 1 free session of arm radiofrequency or RF dito sa clinic. This will accelerate the healing process and also mas mabilis na lumambot yung braso mo. For best results, it is recommended once a week. Alright, for about 5 to 6 sessions. Doc, when can I resume exercise, swimming, and other physical activities? For the exercise, you can start doing cardio, okay, walking, treadmill, or without any arm movements 2 weeks after the surgery. But when you're using weights, okay, you can start 4 weeks after lipo. Okay, do it gradually para hindi mamaga or mag-swell yung arms mo. And also, we will prevent some infections. And Doc, when can I drive? So ideally, you should start 2 weeks after. But if you can tolerate it, 1 week after the lipo, pwede naman. Only for a short drive. Okay, about 30 minutes only or less. How long does skin numbness last? Okay, so this is quite common. Most of my patients, they experience the numbness 6 to 12 months after the arm liposuction. And most of my patients, they experience some tingling sensations or parang pins and needles. This sensation is actually a good thing because the pins and needle sensation indicates that your nerves are recovering. So, Doc, my elbow area is still swollen after 1 month. So then again, the the final result of arm lipo is expected around 3 to 6 months. And the last area to subside is the elbow area because by gravity, dito lahat buwabagsak ng swelling. So you will appreciate the final result again in after 6 months. So Doc, I think my scar is developing a keloid. So what should I do? So first of all, let's differentiate the kinds of scars. Most of the patients mix the keloid with hypertrophic scar. So with hypertrophic scar, it is only raised but not extended. For the keloid, ito yung lumalaki and also nagda-darken. Okay, outside the border of the scar. When keloid happens, we can do some injections to prevent the development of the keloid. And if you notice some hyperpigmentation or darkening of the scars, we can apply, number one, topical creams or ointments to brighten the scar. And then also, we can do some lasers. So there you have it. I hope that I've explained it well and I've covered most of your questions. But if there are some specific questions that are not mentioned in this video, feel free to reach out to me in Instagram, okay? And I will reply to you as soon as possible. I hope you had a great experience with us here at the Sandis Clinic, and I will see you in the next follow-up.